Thanks again for tuning into the Weekly World Review. Top story, girl gets burned to a crisp. There are two important rules one should follow during summer. Stay hydrated and don't forget sunscreen. People should take these seriously, and let's just say the horrific event that took place over the weekend is an example of what happens to those breaking these simple regulations. This past weekend, New York was faced with an excessive heat watch. While many avoided going outside, there were plenty taking the WWR to get to Long Beach, Long Island. According to sources from the Beyond, Lucy Torrid, 13, was found burned to a crisp on one of New York's summer hotspots. Torrid was at the age when hanging out with friends was more important than taking part in a family barbecue. Her bestie Tammy Tattle told the Beyond how the two went there together, but she couldn't stay long and had to rush back home due to a family emergency. Unfortunately, Tattle had the beach bag filled with water, sunscreen, and snackies. As the day progressed, Torrid was severely dehydrated. At first, she felt exhausted and weak. Torrid's organs soon caved in, and in a matter of minutes, she fell into a coma. Being under the hot sun for so long, her body had reached similar temperatures with that of a frying pan. A young boy discovered the girl's burning body. Assuming Torrid was passed out, the boy recorded himself attempting to make a grilled cheese sandwich on her leg. Luckily for Torrid, his video was a YouTube live stream. It didn't take long for the rescue team to arrive, and thankfully, they successfully dropped her temperature and revived her. Torrid remains at the hospital with severe burns. Doctors are staying positive and feeling hopeful on her recovery. Hashtag summer fails. Wow, can you say extra crispy? Glad she's okay. I'm Tasso Z, and this has been the Weekly World Review. Like, share, subscribe.